How to fix Discord disconnecting and reconnecting on Discord. Today guys, I will show you and share with you the solution how to fix and solve this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search just for Discord. When you found Discord like this, just open it like this and go to storage option, then go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord, and after this you have to restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another videos.